I like somebody's auntie. It's Auntie Janelle in the building, okay? Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Janelle Squire XO back with another video. Woo! So, I'm in the car right now. I'm like just mentally in a rush because I am kind of late. But as you can tell by the title, it's another salon vlog, y'all. So I'm headed to the salon right now. My girl Jaleesa is gonna hook me up today. Y'all, if y'all wondering why I haven't been on YouTube, it's because my hair is trash. Like, it's trash and I need to trim my ends bad. Okay, that and I just don't really know what to post about. But I'm back, okay? And yeah, so like I said, I'm on my way to the salon right now. My hair's looking crazy in this little situation, okay? Of course, before we get into this little vloggy vlog, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that bell button so you're notified every single time I post a new video. Join the XO gang cause it's super lit over here, okay? Today's video is sponsored by Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community for creatives where millions come together to take the next step in their creative journey. And the first 1,000 of my subscribers to click the link in the description below will get a free trial of premium membership so you can explore your creativity. Stay tuned for more details. Ooh. What's that sunscreen, girl? Skincare on 100. So today we're doing a wash and we're chopping off the damaged ends. I'm crying. I'm literally screaming inside, guys.
I just want to make it clear that she was supposed to come to me periodically over the course of the last year.
It was a
even
virus.
Through the pandemic.
It was a virus.
Because we're friends and I don't go nowhere because I could have just brought my sister to your house. She was supposed to be getting haircuts over the course of the last year so we wouldn't have to cut off so much today. But since she didn't, I'm gonna just cut it off.
Well, you know, either way, they was gonna have to come off. So yeah, we're chopping it off. We're doing a treatment and cut and style. Fun times. Look at all my hair. It's on the floor. Let's take a break for a quick word from our sponsor. So you may or may not know that I recently launched my very own kinky curly hair extensions business, Zero Gravity Hair Company. Becoming an entrepreneur is no easy feat, and I want to learn as much as I can about business, entrepreneurship, branding, all of the above. And I've been doing that with Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for creative and curious people. Explore new skills, deepen existing passions, and get lost in creativity. Skillshare has classes to fit your schedule and skill level. Most classes are under 60 minutes. Members get unlimited access to thousands of inspiring classes with hands-on projects and feedback from a community of millions. One of the classes I'm taking right now is by Cal Hislop, who has great classes for post-millennials like myself who are looking to learn about personal development, finances, entrepreneurship, and more. Right now, I'm taking his personal branding and marketing, secrets to entrepreneurship, networking, and social media marketing class, and it is awesome, guys. Let me tell you, with this class, I learned just how important personal branding is, no matter what industry you're in, whether in the corporate world as an employee or an entrepreneur. As you know, I'm rebranding, and this info has been super helpful for me. Skillshare is curated specifically for learning, meaning there are no ads. And they're always launching new premium classes so you can stay focused and follow wherever your creativity takes you. And it's less than $10 a month with an annual subscription. With Skillshare, you can find inspiration in the moment and learn how to express your creativity. Don't forget to check the link in the description box, guys, where the first 1,000 of my subscribers to click the link will get a free trial of premium membership. Now back to the video. A detox jelly?
Yeah. It's good to like just prep your hair for things and just get like all the minerals that you can have, like from water, product, bleach, salt, not bleach, chlorine, salt, all that good stuff. Because I'm doing the Olaplex treatment, but a lot of times I'm noticing people have too much buildup. It doesn't take the effect that it should. And technically you're supposed to do Olaplex treatments on dry hair, but it's hard to do that if there's a bunch of buildup.
Yeah.
So every once in a while, I gotta like do a whole detox before the Olaplex treatment. You have shampoo in your hair, and you going in and getting your hair clean, but the shampoo is not touching your scalp, so you're literally just scratching your wet scalp.
I could see that being a thing.
Especially in the back. So typically when I shampoo hair, with people, just natural growth in general, I'll split the hair down the middle and make sure to work my way in from the side. Just one, so I can make sure it gets all the way back, because this back piece here gets neglected a lot too. But it just makes it easier to work on the hair in like sections, quadrants, or halves, or whatever. So I split it, I shampoo that side, and then go through real quick, and make sure that the shampoo is all the way down to your scalp, and then I scrub.
Wow. For my whole head?
Your whole head.
The whole head, guys. Conditioner. When do you use the steamer? Oh, you forgot.
Next time.
No, it's so
sorry.
sad. You didn't get to use the steamer, guys.
You know what it is? It's because your hair is in good condition. I usually pull it out when like the person's hair is like super dry.
Oh.
So I'm like, hey, it looks good. It's all shiny or whatever. Not that we're gonna cut it off, but like it's soaking up the water and everything the way it should. So I just completely slip my line.
Okay. Well, that's good news.
Right.
Ooh.
Right.
Hey, girls. I see y'all in there trying to do a little something.
There's something in it that's so beautiful. Listen, I can see the light, but I can also see the bones again. I don't know what else there is to I'm doing my best not to run away.
Huh? What is that? Oh my God. It's so tiny. It's so short. I like it. Oh my God, it's so cute. It's a little mushroom.
I know, right? Close your eyes now. Get the full effect.
I need to go to the gym and slim this face back out. So, you guys, my hair has never been this short. Ever in my life. Ever in my
I
life.
feel like I'm dramatic, but whatever.
It's never been this short. So you guys, we're all done. And my hair is so short. I don't know how to feel. I like it, but I'm gonna have to, it's gonna take some getting used to, okay? You can't really see right now because the sun and like all that stuff, but like my curls are super defined, which is cute, but it's so short. I'm literally screaming. Look at, I have no hang time in the back. My hair is like an inch in the back, yo. I'm literally having a freak out, like I'm a meltdown. Like, it's cute, I like it, but I'm so not used to this. But you know, it's like giving grown woman. But I need to see it stretched out. This is crazy. This is so short, you guys. My hair has never been this short ever in my life. Okay, ever in my life. I like somebody's auntie. It's Auntie Janelle in the building, okay? Anyways, I'm starving. I'm gonna get my food.